Yeah. MD. JPB. It's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
Now today I take this question from Twitter. Please follow my tweet account and also subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch this question and also watch my Instagram as find the shade area of this part, and thank you and have a good day also. And now I also write it as the Cartesian method. So the 4 and 4 part is like this, as 4 and 4 is there, and here also the 6 and 6 the cubing area, so that's also, and it's the origin of the Cartesian equation, and x axis is it, and also y axis it as y and y naught and x naught, and it's also would be 4 comma 4, and this also 4 comma 0, that's 0 as well, 0 as y equals to 0 on x axis and x equals to 0 on y axis. So this point is also minus 0 comma minus 2 as 0 for y axis of x value, and this is also 0 comma 4 as well, and I remove the 4 of the every shape. So now this origin is also I try to draw it as this the first part, and it's also the second part. I also draw it as about this image, but this image is undertaken by this as the shaded portion of this, and its point is also minus 6 comma minus 2 as well, and this 6 and 6 and is also 6. So now take that point is t and that point is s also, and the origin point is 0 comma 0, and it's take naming, so a and this b, and it's also t, so tb is also a linear, and have a line from this picture as you take it as image or peak. So now bt is, so bt is a linear, so now bt is a linear as well. So now so that the equation is, so equation would be linear, and that's it. And also a linear equation is coming from this line as bt is also I consider to draw it down the linear equation. So now also t equals to, we also write it as the linear equation. I also give you as a screenshot of this portion. So now that watch this, so I take also the linear equation, so y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to also this portion. So now t is equal to ax plus b, and now as b and a is also the, from this also a and b is also the constant term, so now this part and this part is also becoming, so now 4 of minus 2, and the undertaken is as I take the point of t, so now 4 minus of minus 6, that's it, as a the x axis of this 6, and it's also 4 and it's also 4, and this the s point. So now it's remove it as well, 4 plus 2, and the denominator is 4 plus 6. So now 4 plus 2 is becoming 6 and 4 plus 6 is becoming 10. So that's of simplify is 3 by 5 and it's the first equation. So now and now it's 1 as this portion of this is coming from, and now I take this another pen so as that's equals to a also, and here a equals to 3 by 5 and write it down as t equals to 3 by 5 times of x plus of b. That's it. And now this taking from this b and t also, as we have from this question also, from this picture as b equals to 4 comma 4 as oil, and that's equals to also from this equation. So now also write this, and we know also x comma t is here, so x comma y also we consider as equation proved. So now t equals to 4, so 4 equals to 3 by 5 times of 4 plus b. As well we write it down as b equals to 4 comma 4 as b is the point the naming. So now it's going to left hand side. So now b equals to, we can write it 4 minus of, as well I give you a wrap, so 4 times of 3 by 5 that's equals to 12 by 5. So I write down that 12 by 5 that's equals to, the denominator is 5 and the numerator is 20 minus 12. That's it, and that's equals to 8 by 5. That's it. That's a simple method of taking a and b portion. And now I also write it down as the linear equation also, and watch this full time. So now from this number 1 equation, so I write down the 1. So from 1 equation is also becoming that t equals to as x equals to 3 by 5 and times of x plus, and now b equals to 8 by 5. That's it, and that's it. And I also write it down as common, take the common is 1 by 5 of 3x plus 8, and that's equals to also t, and it's I remarked it as well. We need from that find the area of this equation, and it's also rough, so I write it down as a line portion. So now we also need the area of this point. So now t b a and t o of a, that's portion, that's a also a rectangle. So now watch this, and it's also you can say it as a trapezium. So now we also know the point is becoming t of dx as well, and that's point of, and that's point is 0 of. So now 0 to 4 as the x-axis is coming. So now I also take it down, so 0 to 4 of t of dx. That's it, and that's equals to the area of ABOTS. That's it. That's a common portion of this area. So now this is the area of ABOTS. That's equals to integration of 0 to 4 of t of dx. That's it, and from this the shaded portion is coming. That's it. T equals to we know also, so 0 to 4 of 1 by 5 times of 3x plus 8 of dx. That's it. So now integrating that, so now 1 by 5 times of integration of 0 to 4 of 3x plus 8 of dx. That's it, and that's equals to also 3 by 5 of integration of 0 to 4 of x dx plus of 8 by 5 times of integration of 0 to 4 of dx. That's it. That's also the common portion. So now that's equals to 3 by 5 times of x square by 2, which is also limited by 0 to 4 of 8 by 5 times of x also coming, so that's x is limited by 0 to 4, and that's equals to, also we can write it down as 0 and 0 is coming 0. So now the 4 is important, so 3 by 5 times of 16 by 2, that's it, and plus of 8 by 5 times of, that is coming 4, that's it. And now simplify this portion, so it's also t of this area. So now simplify this, so that's coming is 24 by 5 plus 32 by 5, that's it, and that's equals to, also the denominator is coming 5 and the numerator also this the 6 5. So 56 by 5 is square unit of this rectangular area, and also you can say it as a trapezium portion, and the trapezium portion area is also 56 by 5 square unit. And now find this the S point. So also we know from it as well, t, t is the linear portion, and I also write down that that's equals to 56 by 5 of square unit, that's it. That's much more very important in the last part of this. And now find the S point. So BS is a also a straight line, so also, so I can say it has a linear, also linear equation, you know that I know it from this picture as well. So I can write down it, let S equals to, also you know from t, that's it, ax plus b, as a and b is constant term and this point is 4. So I write down that 4 equals to ax, and I write down that b is a constant term, so now b is constant, that's it, and that's equals to, also b is coming as from this minus 2 as the coming os, and o of 0 comma minus 2, and this line and this portion is much more important as base and height backside. So now 4 equals to ax minus 2, and that's it. And now ax equals to, also 4 plus 2, that is 6, and now a and x equals to 6 also coming, so a is the important, so a equals to 4 as from this part and this part, as the shape of area is 4 and 4, as you know 4 into 4, so now 4x equal to 6, and now x equals to 6 by, and that's it 4, and that's equals to, also you know this simplify that 3 by 2, that's coming answer. So now we know the x equals to 3 by 2, so x equals to, I write down that 3 by 2, that's it. Now also I write down that when s equals to 0, therefore as this asymptote of this area is coming, so therefore s equals to 0 also, therefore also s equals to 0, that coming the result is from this part, and it's becoming a interesting. So s equals to 3 by 2 times of x minus of 2, that's it. And when x equals to 0, so 0 equals to 3 by 2 times of x minus 2, that's it, and that's equals to, also it's the important part. And also this part of this area I also remove that area, so I write down by my black pen, so 3 by 2 times of x equals to 2, that's it, and x equals to also 2 times of 2 by 3, and that's equals to 4 by 3, and we find the x value. So also we know the value of s. So now s equals to also 4 minus of 4 by 3, that's equals to, the denominator is becoming 3 and the numerator is also 12 minus 4, that's equals to 8 by 3, that's it. And it's also coming mod as if coming the negative value, so there it's convert by positive value. So now s equals to, we find that 8 by 3, that's it. And now find this triangle area, that's it, AB of s. So now area of, so I write down the AB is, which is also triangle. I thought that's cos per islet. So now 1 by 2 times of 8 by 3 times of 4, that's equals to also you know from this 1 by 2 times of 8 by 3 times of 4. So 2 and 4 is cancel out, is coming 2, and that's equals to 16 by 3 square unit. And it's also important for this. So now thanks for watching this, and this taking number 2 and the under is taking number 1, as the area of ABCOTS, that's equals to 56 by 5 square unit. So now find this shaded portion is also this whole portion minus of this triangle. So I also write down that area of this shaded portion area with the triangle is also BT0S, as BTOSTS. I also write down that, and this the origin point is O, that's cos per I write down that's O. And this area of ABOTS minus of area of triangular shape of this ABTS, that's it. And that's equals to also the shaded area equals to also, we write down that the 56 by 5, that's it. And that's minus of, as the minus is coming from this sign as well. And this the second term is 16 by 3, that's equals to also, the denominator is 15 and the numerator is also 8. And I also watch this as 168 minus of, now 3 6 times, that's equals to also the 0 coming and the 3 cancel out, so now is 80. So now also we write it down as this calculation and simplify this 88 by 15, that's it. And it's also unit as a square unit, and that's the answer. So it's very interesting question of this, and I also shaded the answer as remarked by black pen and this the blue pen. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and never miss press the bell icon. And also follow me on the social media accounts as Twitter, Instagram, and this YouTube. And this also the answer is 88 by 15 square unit, that's it. And also follow me on Twitter account, that's it. Bye.
I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one.
damn, it's gonna be a long night, night, night.